So babe, what are we making?
We are making pate kode.
What in the world is pate kode?
Pate kode is actually one of Haiti's extremely popular street food.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
Did you used to have it in Haiti?
I used to enjoy it a lot in Haiti, actually.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
I used to make it in Haiti.
Huh?
I used to make it.
Full of surprises, I see.
I know. So, today everybody in the kitchen, we are making pate kode. We are Merlene and AJ, Savory Thoughts, and welcome to our kitchen.
Yes, this patty actually, the reason why it's so popular in Haiti is because it takes very few simple ingredients to make, and it's cheap. It wasn't expensive to make. Simply flour, salt.
Okay, so today, instead of putting meat in it, we are making a vegan version.
Yes, we are going to try a little bit healthier version by having it with simply vegetables.
So we're going to add about a tablespoon of oil. And we're going to add in our vegetables so we can start cooking them. So we're letting this cook. It should take about an extra 1 to 2 minutes. And remember, we are going to deep fry the pate.
You don't want to overcook it. You want to leave a little bit of crunchiness to it.
All right, so now that we have the vegetables cooked, it's time to make the dough. Okay, so let's go ahead and make the dough. We're starting off with 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay, and now we are going to make a well. So we're adding in 1 cup of water. Can you please add in 2 tablespoons of oil. All right, so now we're going to mix it. We're going to work it. It's almost like you are kneading the dough, like you're making bread, but that's not what you're doing. In Haiti, we say you need the pâte pour lâcher. Lâcher pâte, lâcher.
It means you have to loosen. Translation. Loosen the dough. But actually it will probably pair well with just salad, you know, because obviously the dough has a lot of carbs in it, flour.
And also, this is good during carnival time. To cut the dough into 4 pieces. Okay. 4 pieces. So now here's the difference. In Haiti, we would enlarge it like this. So now we're going to put in the filling. You want to have it close to the middle as possible because when we fold it over, it's going to be like a pocket. And we are going to seal the edges. We're using a fork. This gives it that little design that we like. Okay. So once you do that, take the fork and poke some holes. Start cooking. All right, so this has deep fried to a crispy golden brown color.
Please visit savorythoughts.com for the recipe and directions, and don't forget to subscribe.